Okay, so we're going to look at solving a 30, 60, 90 special triangle. We're going to look at this example here. And generally, when I am solving this type of problems, I like to just I like to draw a sample of my own. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make this 30 here. And then this is going to be my 60 over here. And my 30 is going to be s, this is going to be 2s, and then this is going to be s square root of 3. So I'm going to apply the same knowledge here. So if I have the hypotenuse at 10, then the side opposite 30 degrees is going to be, y is going to be 10 divided by 2, which is going to be 5. And then x is going to be s square root of 3, so that is going to be y multiplied by square root of 3, which is equal to 5 square root of 3. So therefore, x equal to 5 square root of 3, y equal to 5.